Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a word that's all around us. It affects everyone, and it's key to understanding the world: economy. So, what exactly is the economy? Simply put, the economy is the system of money and trade in a country or region. It's how we produce, distribute, and consume goods and services. Think of it as the lifeblood of a community, the flow of resources that keeps things moving. You might hear about the global economy, meaning the interconnected economic systems of all the countries in the world. Now, let's explore some words that are similar to economy, or synonyms. One good synonym is market. For example, instead of saying the economy is growing, you could say the market is growing. Another useful synonym is commerce. Consider this. The country relies heavily on commerce with its neighbors, which is similar to saying the country's economy depends on trade with its neighbors. We can also use the word finance as a synonym, especially when talking about managing money. A sentence could be, understanding finance is crucial for a healthy economy. Another option is industry, though it focuses more on the production side. For example, the manufacturing industry is a vital part of the economy. Finally, consider business as a synonym, focusing on the commercial activity. We might say, small businesses are essential to the local economy. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words with opposite meanings to economy. One antonym could be collapse, which signifies a breakdown of the economic system. For instance, the country feared an economic collapse, indicating a severe downturn in the economy. Another antonym is stagnation, which implies a lack of growth or movement in the economy. A sentence could be, economic stagnation led to widespread unemployment, showing the negative impact of a non-moving economy. Another contrasting term is autarky, which refers to economic self-sufficiency and a lack of trade, the opposite of a globalized economy. You might hear, the nation attempted autarky, isolating itself from the global economy. We can also think of depression, indicating a severe and prolonged downturn in economic activity, as an antonym. For example, the Great Depression had a devastating impact on the global economy. A final antonym to consider is recession, a period of temporary economic decline during which trade and industrial activity are reduced. For example, the recession affected many small businesses, indicating a downturn in the economy. How does the word economy show up in everyday life? Well, you might hear news reports about the economy doing well or poorly. You might talk to friends about how the economy is affecting their job prospects. You could read articles about different economic policies. When we talk about being economical, we mean being careful with money, trying to save resources. So, in essence, the economy is like the heartbeat of a nation. We are interacting with it every day, whether we know it or not. Here are some more example sentences. The government is trying to improve the economy. The economy is affected by global events. She studied economics at university. The economy depends on supply and demand. His decisions had a negative impact on the economy. Sustainable development can boost the economy. Tax rates play an important role in the economy. The health of the economy is a major concern for voters. She wants to work in the field of economics. The government announced measures to stimulate the economy. The company is making significant contributions to the economy. The country's economy is primarily based on agriculture. He made a series of investments to improve the economy. The tourism industry contributes significantly to the economy. The global economy is interconnected. The economy is showing signs of recovery. Technological innovation often drives economic growth. The economy is complex and multifaceted. The economy needs to be more diversified. Government spending impacts the economy. In conclusion, today we've learned that the economy is the system of money and trade in a country or region. We explored synonyms like market, commerce, finance, industry, and business, and antonyms like collapse, stagnation, autarky, depression, and recession. We also saw how economy is used in everyday conversations and phrases. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn English. And now, for your homework, try creating your own sentence using the word economy and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to read them.